Gmail account or any other email account, they are often vulnerable. And once an account is compromised, it can be used for anything from identity theft to spamming and other fraudulent activities. If we know more using the Google account, it's always better to delete it. Let me show how to do it in this video. We need to sign into the Gmail account, which we want to delete. Next, we need to click the profile icon, and again, click Manage Your Google Account tab. And next, we need to click Data and Privacy tab in this page. We need to scroll down the page to this section. Here, we have the option to delete the entire Google account. We need to log into the account to verify, and continue deleting. We can choose to download our Google account data if we choose to, before deleting the account. And next, we can scroll down the page, agree and acknowledge to delete the Google account permanently. Once we click the Delete Account button, the Google account, along with all the products related to Google account, like Gmail account, Google Drive, YouTube and more, will be gone forever. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel, and click the bell notification icon, to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.